Welcome to an overview of the Actuarial Excel Addin capabilities. In short, the Actuarial Excel Addin gives the ability to loop through data to perform actual valuations or print individual statements to PDF formats. It also provides more than 35 functions, including 8 actuarial and 10 statistics. So with the Actuarial Excel Addin, you will increase your productivity, reduce the risk of error, and discover new possibilities. Among the many administrative tasks that you'll be performing for the administration of pension plan, there's the calculation of optional forms of pension, and that's what I'm doing in that spreadsheet. All the yellow cells are using functions from the actual Excel add-in. So here I'm calculating the annuity factors with the JS and LX function. And the annuity factors will vary depending on my data and on my form of pension. So here I have my data for my ID number one. So you have the calculation of the value of his normal form of pension, which is a lifetime pension with a 5-year guarantee. And below, I'm calculating the amount of pension under various optional forms. So options 1 to 5 would be without a bridge payable, a 0-year guarantee, 10-year or 15-year, and a 60% or 100% pension reverting to the spouse. And option 6 to 11, similarly, but with a bridge payable limited to the maximum that I set to the Canada Quebec pension plan for a person age 65. And to make things simpler, what I've done is that I put all my data in a separate sheet. So each row will contain the information about a specific retirement, and these would be isolated within the input sheet using the actual add-in menu function, create the input sheet. So information about one member is isolated, and I could refer to the specific information using a named variable, which make reading the formula simpler. And finally, I've created a PRM or parameter worksheet where all the history of assumptions set A and set B. I think depending on the date of retirement, I'm selecting either set A or set B. So the calculations are done with these assumptions. And the yellow cells here, instead of hard coding these assumptions for the mortality, they refer to the CIA commuted value assumption or prescribed assumption. So depending on the date of retirement, the same here for the interest rate. Under scenario B or set B, I'm using the CIA assumptions for interest rate. For a specific pension plan, normally you would have one worksheet and you would just add every new retirement would be indicated in data